As a virtual assistant, you are offering your time and your skill to client. But as a complete beginner, you are probably not an expert in anything specific. And since there are hundreds of services that you can choose from and start offering as a VA, how can you find the right service that you should start offering as a virtual assistant? Well, there is a simple way to do this, and that is by not choosing a specific skill. Instead of choosing a specific skills to start offering as a virtual assistant, you should start your virtual assistant career as a general VA, general virtual assistant. Now, what is a general virtual assistant? General VA is simply someone who is offering general online business assistant, kind of like a personal assistant. For example, if I hire a general virtual assistant, I am not looking for someone who is an expert in graphic design or video editing or anything else. I am just looking for someone to save time for me. If I have too much work to do, I can just pass it on to them to help me with it. If I have some data entry work that I don't have the time to do myself, I can pass it on to them. If I have some basic graphic design that I don't have the time to do myself, I will pass it on to them. Whatever I have generally that I don't have much time to do myself, I can pass it on to them. I know that can sound intimidating because if I am going to pass anything on to the general BA, what if you don't have the skill to do the thing that I want you to do for me? And that is really easy because when someone is looking to hire a general BA, they are not looking for someone expert in something specific. And for that reason, almost all the things that people will pass to the general BA to help with it is something basic that even if you don't have the skill to do, it will be easy for you to watch a few videos, tutorials, and do it yourself. And in most cases also, the people who hire general virtual assistant, they already have experience working with BAs. And so most of the times they have SOP, standard operating procedure, that they can simply give it to the virtual assistant and the BA can follow the standard operating procedure to do the work. And in some cases, they can even record a tutorial of how to do whatever they want the BA to do for them. And then they give the VA the tutorial and you can simply watch the tutorial and you can do whatever they want you to do. Because people who hire general VA, they are looking for someone to help save time for them. They are not looking for someone expert, and for that reason, they will not care if you are not an expert in all the things that they want you to help with. Now, even though you don't need an expertise to become a general VA, you do need to learn some basic things. You need to know how to use Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Google Sheet, know how to use the internet, how to upload files, download files, know how to fill out online forms. Those are the basic kind of skills that you need to become a general virtual assistant. Anything else that you don't know how to do, you can easily learn on the process while you are doing the work. And of course, you are going to come across things that you don't know how to do on a continuous basis when you are working as a general BA. But the good news is you have YouTube. You have YouTube and Google. So whatever you don't know how to use, whatever you don't know how to do, it will be easy for you to watch a tutorial and learn how to do it. And over time, you won't really have much trouble learning how to do something new. I personally learn over 90% of the skills that I learn on YouTube. So that is the only way really to learn as a general BA. You don't need to choose a specific skill to start virtual assistant. It's best to start virtual assistant as a general BA, and eventually you can learn different skills. And if you feel the need to stop offering some services and focus on something else, then you can do that later. But when you are just getting started, being a general BA will be the best option for you. The one thing that you need to learn to succeed as a general virtual assistant is data entry. And you can watch this next video to learn everything you need to know about data entry virtual assistants. If you find the video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.